She's just over it. She's over the nonsense, over the excuses, and over anyone that drains her energy. It's not about anger or resentment. It's about her finally choosing peace over chaos. She's learned that not everything deserves a reaction, and she's no longer handing out pieces of herself to people who don't value her. She's got bigger plans, better things to focus on, and no time for the drama. She's stepping back, not because she's weak, but because she's strong enough to know when to let go. She's staying in her lane, staying focused, and keeping her head held high. This new version of her? She's unbothered, unfazed, and fully invested in her own growth. She's done explaining herself. From here on out, it's her peace over everything. She's creating space for what truly matters, and if it doesn't align with her happiness, it doesn't belong in her life.